Well, the bumper is off the Tacoma. That means that it is mod time. We are also prepping for Overland Expo East. All these mods I'll have linked with discount codes down in the description, but we are putting on the Diode Dynamic fog light replacement. These two boxes right here, we are putting not only one, but two hidden light bars behind the grille from Cali Raised, and then also something that should have come from Toyota day one. We are putting Redline Tuning hood struts onto the Tacoma as well. I'll be documenting all this over on 4gtaco.com. That is our forum. I will leave that also in the description for you guys. So here's Redline Tuning stuff out of the box. We have a nice case for the hood struts. Super simple install. We have colored instructions right here, but there's also a QR code because I'm a visual person for a good detailed video. When I install this, you guys are gonna be like, why the heck didn't Toyota just freaking do this in the first place? Honestly, $50-something thousand truck, bruh, and they can't even do this? Crazy. Boom. That one hood strut is holding up this whole hood. Nice. And we got the driver's side installed, and you could see too that it will work with Cali Raised low pro ditch brackets. So I installed these as well. I wasn't sure if they were going to fit with them, but OEM bolt right here and the hood struts work as intended. So just go ahead, grab the hood. Comes on down. Oh, that's so nice. And two, you could see that we have the Nittos all onto the low pro ditch brackets from Cali Raised. We'll go ahead and lift up the hood, and you can see that we have a good amount of clearance right back here from the glass, and obviously right here too on the lights. Now we're over here at the grill to do the Diode Dynamic fog lights, and I just placed it on top of my box right here and just putting a little bit of pressure right here, popping off this whole valence to gain access to the fog lights. And then once you have this kind of removed, be careful because all of our sensors are connected right here. And then we got the fog light out, just a couple screws, and then you disconnect it. And here we have it installed. Here's the brackets. Diode Dynamics has a pretty good how-to on their website. And then I'm just gonna utilize the OEM fog lights, so they send out this connector with it as well. And so we got the Cali Raised brackets on now. These things are actually pretty cool. So you take the grill shutter off. So this does sit in front of your grill shutter. Now, if you have a truck with the full 360 camera view, you can only fit one light bar. However, they do sell this kit with two light bars. These brackets utilize the OEM placement. So all it is these brackets right here, they go in and you put this light bar on, tighten everything up, put your harnesses out to the side, and then just put the grill shutter back on. And it's better than, in my opinion, doing a TRD Bro grill on a non-TRD Pro truck. And then per Cali Raised videos, we just gotta trim up a little bit of plastic. I went ahead and just marked it right there. So we're just gonna trim it up, set it on, then put the bumper back on the truck. And for those worried about the grill shutter with the light bar right here, you can see the light bar. My fingers are able to go right, barely under it, but it still does have a good amount of space here. That's a little bit better going this way with the light bar right there. So good amount of space with the light bar back behind the grill. And here we have the light bar and everything fully installed. Now, first question, will it mess with heat? No, it does not mess with heat or with air passing through the vehicle because we still have the grill shutter mechanism back behind there. When you're at highway speeds anyways with the Tacoma, that all shuts up. Plus two, you have about a finger's length like I showed you guys back behind it, so we shouldn't have any heating issues with the light bar on. But man, looks actually pretty good. Drove about 1,500 miles up to Overland Expo with it and had absolutely no issues. And how you wire that light up, you go into your glove box if your Tacoma has the AUX buttons, right? You go into the glove box, get out these harnesses right here, and if you come to where your windshield wiper fluid is, and you look right here, this little cap, we got to take it off, and then you will plug in this harness right here, and then with it comes these instructions. So AUX 1 should be the 15 amp, which is black, then you have AUX 2, which is the green, which is the 10 amp, and then white, and then the ground for everything that you plug into this thing is going to be the white with black stripes. So it's this thicker gauge right here. So this is going to be our ground, and then we're going to most likely plug this light bar into the black because it has more amperage. All right, pretty simple. Got it all wired up. Don't judge it. It will get better. I was just temporarily making sure that it was good, but all plugged in. Pressed AUX 1, and boom! got the light bar on. So now if you are pre-wiring it with your Tacoma, the thing that does kind of stink is that you do have to have the truck on. I mean, I don't know why you would use the light bar when the truck is off, but you have to have the aux power on when you want to press the button. So press it, turns off, and then the light is off. All right, so we got the normal lights on the Tacoma. Go ahead, turn on those Diode Dynamics. Lot over to the right and to the left. Turn them off, turn them on. Got a lot of the trees showing too. It's really nice too, is like if you're in a parking lot where it's a little bit dark, boom, turn them on. We can now definitely see a lot on the side. But this light bar, guys, holy crap, it is freaking bright. So we can see a good amount of trees down there. Turn off these diodes. Those diodes are actually really bright for fogs. That's really awesome. But gonna go ahead, press the aux 1. Boom. Look at that freaking tree light up all the way down there. Over here to the side, light bar has a nice little cutoff on it, it looks like too. Over here, boom. So definitely a lot up front. And then when we pair this with these diodes, I mean, you have everything lit up. You will definitely be able to see a lot. So that light bar, pretty bright. Go ahead, turn it off. And then turn off the diodes. And I'm just gonna turn off the lights and then now only do the light bar. So this is only light bar off, light bar on. Can't really just turn everything off and then do just the fogs. That's kind of our DRL. And then fogs off, fogs on. So definitely really, really bright. That light bar, absolutely awesome. I'll leave the links to everything again down in the description. Cali Raised, thank you for hooking it up. Yodaverse as well. Redline Tuning. Guys, links again down in the description. I appreciate you all watching, and I will catch you in the next one. All right, see you later.